Hi guys, today let us learn about supply chain management. The management of flow of goods and services is known as supply chain management. It includes all the process that transform raw materials into final products. Supply chain management involves planning, sourcing, production, delivery, and return. Now, let us know the stages of supply chain management. First stage in supply chain management is planning. The initial stage of supply chain process is the planning stage. In planning stage, we need to develop a plan or a strategy in order to address how the products or services will satisfy the demands and necessities of the customer. And second stage is sourcing. In sourcing, we mainly concentrate on building a strong relationship with suppliers of the raw materials, which is required for our production. This not only involves identifying dependable suppliers but also determining different planning methods for shipping, delivery, and payment of the product. And third stage is production. It is the manufacturing or making of products that were demanded by the customer. In this stage, the products are designed, produced, tested, packaged, and synchronized for the delivery. And the fourth stage is delivery. In this stage, the products are delivered to the customer at the destined location through logistics by the supplier. This stage is basically known as logistic phase, where customer orders are accepted and delivery of goods is planned. And the last stage is returning. If any defective or damaged goods are found, then those goods will be returned to the supplier by the customer. That stage is known as return stage. That's all about the supply chain management process.